Hey everybody, it's Kimberly Wendell with Amber Waves Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. Hey guys, I'm doing a beautiful open house at our newest listing in Lantana, and we're having a lot of disappointed buyers come through the door. The home is already in multiple offers, and they're coming in with their home's not on the market yet, or they're going to have to go through financing. We have a solution for you at Keller Williams where you can go through a program called Homeward that turns you into a cash buyer. So your offer is going to go to the top of the list to the seller because it's way less risk for a seller to take a cash offer than a financed one. And also you can move into your dream home before you sell the home that you're currently in. You guys, this is just a massive program for you guys to actually get offers selected if you're a buyer out there. So stop coming in writing offer after offer and not getting it. Come talk to us about the Homeward solution. We can help you get into your next dream home before you sell the home you're in now. So give us a call and let us help you.